Time is the fairest witness. Thousands of bright and flowing days, tempering the crystallization of wisdom. Exploring inner thoughts, considering the future. Using accumulated energy to connect outward. Connecting numerous industries to expand horizons. Making visible the fruits of meticulous hard work. Let us earnestly apply a pioneering spirit to become a forward-thinking market leader. Efficiently providing fast and accurate OEM service through rich experience, becoming a technology leader. With integrity, let us uphold our commitment to customers, sincerely placing a higher value on service. We firmly believe every effort will not be in vain. Integrity, dedication, efficiency. Let's keep growing. We never stop striving, adhering to the serious spirit, marching towards a bright new future.